not in Tessa.
No, test average is 50. In 1 day, it's 40. I know Brian went out to be.
Wait a minute.
But yes, cricket first baseman. Quite so.
Now, so tell me.
When it comes to
Yeah, 1 day.
You, I can understand that. That's a better argument. The best thing we ever seen is long. Better than by far. Better than ever played again?
Baton, guys, baton!
You never see
Anybody.